We are finally in New York. This city is so big.
Yes, it is huge. Stay close to us, children.
There are too many people here. Hold my hand, Anna.
Peter, do not go far. We will buy some food now.
Peter, can you hold this bag for 1 minute?
Me? Okay, Dad. I will hold it carefully. Huh?
My wallet and the hotel card are inside. Be careful.
Do not lose the bag, and do not move from this bench.
We will be back very soon. Stay right here.
Peter, look at that toy robot. It is so cool. Wow, it moves its arms. I want to see it closer. No, Peter. Mom and Dad said wait here. Anna, I cannot see you now.
We are back! Where is Peter?
Oh no! Peter! Peter!
Peter! Where are you?
We must find him quickly. This city is very big.
Stay calm, Anna. Do not run away.
I will check this side. You check the toy shop.
Peter! Peter! Can you hear me? I cannot see him anywhere.
If he goes too far, it will be dangerous.
Mom? Dad? Where is the bench? Where is the food cart? I think I am lost. Excuse me. Have you seen my parents?
Sorry, kid. I did not see them.
I am hungry. Mom and Dad will come soon. I can go back to the hotel. I remember the name. This street looks different. Am I going the right way? Excuse me. Where is the front desk?
Front desk. Move, please. This area is only for workers.
I am sorry. I am lost and very hungry.
You cannot take food from here. Go out now!